How to use Samsung Quick Share feature. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Samsung Quick Share feature. Well, to use Samsung's Quick Share feature, you want to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and make sure they're connected. Now all you gotta do is open up Quick Share panel. And in my case, you can head over to settings, or if you have enabled it on your control panel, tap on Quick Share and enable it. Now you can also head over to settings and use the search bar to search in Quick Share here quickly. Head into it and proceed to enable it. Once you have enabled it and turn on to who can share with you, then you can go to the prompts to share the files directly. Now you can also tap on the control panel here directly. Now it'll be easier this way. Then select send or receive. If you want to send, select files and go to the prompts to send it. You can also select the files directly from your files or gallery, right? So if I head into files here, I can tap on particular file that I'd like to share and select share and then select Quick Share. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.